Okay, so we're going to do the Sound Partners Mastery Test 2 with Ray here. And just like I said, we're just going to go from left to right, and you'll go down sounding out the letters first and then down into the words, okay? So whenever you're ready, Ray, you can start, okay?
G, D, B, E, P, W, J, D.
Nice job.
Get, at, rat, big, big,
Good job.
tin, wag, wag, hop, hop, up, map, d, den, d, b, pad, w, when, it, hit, j, jow. You is the of his to her has done.
Nice job, Ray. Hey, give me a high five. Nice work. So this is yours. Go backpack first, and then you can join your class, okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much, Ray. Have a good rest of your day, okay? Okay, so that was Ray. And I chose to do the mastery test number 2 because from the Dibbles chart that I made, I noticed that letter combination and beginning sounds were kind of what he was struggling with, and I had actually talked to his teacher about that, so that worked out great. This mastery test 2, I think, was the perfect one to give him. I will attach my scoring sheet and what I did here, but almost all the letter sounds he got correct. Self-corrected one of them when it came to the word reading and the 3-letter words there. He got almost all of them correctly, almost all the sounds for the letters, which is great, and then almost all of the words once he sounded them out together. Once we got down to sight word reading, really solid too. You is the, of, his, and to were all solid. Once he got to has and as, there was a little bit of trickiness, but I think this was the perfect mastery test to give him as, he was pretty solid. I'd say the mastery test 3 would be a little bit of a struggle for him, but would definitely help push him, and I would definitely be ready to move on to that. But this, I think, was the correct one to give him on the mastery test 2. So that is the sound partners video that I gave to Ray. Thank you.